Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create an AdMob account with an already existing Google AdSense account. So now this is a Google AdSense account that is already approved and fully verified. Now, how do you know that this AdSense account is just for website? You go under account, then you go to settings and you go to account information. Now, under account information, you will see what this account, the products that are connected to this particular account. As you can see here, active product, which is just content. AdMob is not here, okay? So if you click here, you see active product are products that are the different programs that AdSense offers to monetize your content. Here, we've listed the AdSense products that you are eligible to use and if available, the revenue share for the product, okay? So now, right now we have just content. So let's go back to the dashboard. And now we are going to use the other one, which is for app. So I want to use an existing Google AdSense account for content for website to apply for AdMob, which is for the web. So what I'm going to do is to go to the AdMob website, admob.google.com. Then I click on sign up or sign in, whichever one. So let's go ahead and click on sign in. Now, this will lead us to this page, which is telling us that we already have a linked, you already linked to an existing Google product. Continue with this account or use a different account to connect to AdMob. No, I want to use the same account. So I go ahead and click continue. So it will get more out of AdMob. Yes, send me customizer. This one you can say yes or no. It doesn't really matter. Start using AdMob. So you see, they say we're reviewing your info. We'll run a checks to make sure that your account is ready to show ads. So after 24 hours or less than that, this AdMob account will be approved and be ready for you. So let's click continue to AdMob. So now here is the AdMob dashboard. Okay, making money from your apps just got easier. Introduce your apps to AdMob, create some ad units container for your ads, plug them into your code and watch your earning grow. For more info, visit the developers doc for iOS and Android. So just click get started. Now the dashboard will be presented to us. So this is where we set up an app. So the app I'm building for this is an Android app and is the app listed on the Play Store? No, not listed yet. So I'm going to click no, then click continue. So they're asking for the app name. So we'll go ahead and put Scholarship Village Add App. So you successfully added Scholarship Village. What to do next? Create ad units and test your SDK integration. After you complete testing, publish your app to a supported app store. Add shops to your AdMob app. We'll do a few checks to make sure it's ready to show ads. This typically takes a couple of days, but in some cases may require more time to evaluate. So you go ahead and click done. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, we're just waiting for the review and this will go. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on add ad unit. So select the banner ad unit and we'll just call this banner. Then we click create ad unit. So this is the instruction that we need to use for integration. You just copy this and get a notepad, put that there, then copy the second one, put that there. So now we're done. We don't want to create another ad unit for now. We can always do that much later. Then we click here to get the publisher ID. And then have that here. So we'll go back to the home page, dashboard. So your account is being reviewed. So we're going to wait for an email. Under 24 hours, the reply will come. So that's how to create a Google AdMob account with an already existing Google AdSense account. So once this is approved, when you now go back to where I showed you account settings, account information, it will now show content and AdMob. Okay, So that was all for now in this video. I expect to see you in the next video. Bye for now.